Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss about transform your bedroom with these 50 plus modern wardrobe interior design ideas. Are you looking for the perfect bedroom cupboard design? Look no further. Today, we're bringing you 50 plus modern wardrobe interior design ideas for 2023. Assess your storage needs. Before you start designing your bedroom cupboard, consider how much storage space you need. Think about the types of clothes and accessories you have and how much space they require. Take accurate measurements. Make sure you measure your bedroom accurately so that you can choose a cupboard design that fits perfectly. Choose the right material. Select the material that suits your design and aesthetic preferences. Materials such as wood, metal, and glass all offer unique benefits and styles. Consider the style of your bedroom. Your cupboard design should complement the style of your bedroom. If you have a minimalist bedroom, a simple and clean wardrobe will work well. On the other hand, if you have a more luxurious bedroom, a more elaborate design may be appropriate. Decide on the type of door. There are several door options to choose from, including sliding doors, hinged doors, and bifold doors. Consider which one will work best for your space and storage needs. Add lighting. Adding lighting to your wardrobe can make it easier to find your clothes and accessories. It also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Include mirrors. If you have limited space in your bedroom, a mirrored wardrobe can create the illusion of more space. Plus, it provides a full-length mirror for getting dressed. Consider built-in storage. If you have limited space, built-in storage can be a great option. It blends seamlessly into the room and doesn't take up any additional space. Add a pop of color. Consider adding a pop of color to your wardrobe design to make it stand out. A bright colored door or a patterned interior can add a playful and unique touch. Don't forget the accessories. Consider including accessories like hooks, drawers, and shelves to your cupboard design. These can help you stay organized and maximize your storage space. By considering these tips and suggestions, you can design a bedroom cupboard that is not only functional but also stylish and suited to your personal preferences. Spacious bedroom. First up, we have the classic sliding door wardrobe. This design is perfect for larger bedrooms and provides plenty of storage space. The sliding doors also make it easy to access your clothes without taking up additional floor space. Walk-in wardrobe. If you have the space, a walk-in wardrobe is a luxurious addition to any bedroom. This design allows you to have all of your clothes and accessories in one place and creates a sense of opulence. Mirrored wardrobe. Mirrored wardrobes are a popular choice because they serve two purposes. Not only do they provide ample storage space, but they also act as a full-length mirror. Minimalist wardrobe. For those who prefer a more minimalist design, a simple and clean wardrobe is a great option. These wardrobes often have a sleek and modern look, and they don't take up too much space. Built-in wardrobe. Built-in wardrobes are perfect for smaller bedrooms because they don't take up any extra space. They blend seamlessly into the room and can even create the illusion of more space. Wardrobe with an island. If you want to add a touch of luxury to your bedroom, consider a wardrobe with an island. This design allows you to have additional storage space and a convenient place to fold your clothes. Wardrobe with lighting. Lighting can make all the difference when it comes to a wardrobe. Adding lighting inside your wardrobe can help you find what you're looking for and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Wardrobe with open shelving. For those who like to showcase their belongings, open shelving is a great option. This design allows you to display your favorite clothing and accessories, and it also creates a sense of openness in your bedroom. Wardrobe with a TV. If you love watching TV in bed, why not add a TV to your wardrobe? This design allows you to have the best of both worlds, with plenty of storage space and a convenient place to watch your favorite shows. beautiful and functional bedroom wardrobe. Absolutely, here are 30 tips for designing your bedroom wardrobe and cupboard with more details. Assess your storage needs before starting your design. Consider what types of clothes and accessories you have and how much space they require. Choose a material that suits your design and aesthetic preferences. Popular materials for bedroom cupboards include wood, metal, and glass. Take accurate measurements of your bedroom to ensure a perfect fit. Measure the height, width, and depth of your space, and take note of any obstacles like windows or doors. Consider the style of your bedroom when choosing a cupboard design. A minimalist bedroom might benefit from a simple, clean design, while a more traditional bedroom may require a more ornate look. Decide on the type of door that works best for your space and storage needs. Sliding doors are a popular choice for larger bedrooms, while hinged doors work well in smaller spaces. Add lighting to make it easier to find your clothes and accessories. Consider installing LED lights inside your cupboard or adding a light fixture above it. Include mirrors in your wardrobe design to create the illusion of more space. Full-length mirrors are especially useful for getting dressed. Use built-in storage to maximize space in your bedroom. Built-in cupboards blend seamlessly into the room and can be customized to fit your needs. Consider adding shelves to your cupboard to keep items organized and easily accessible. Floating shelves or built-in shelves are both great options. Install hooks or pegs inside your cupboard to hang items like belts, ties, and scarves. Use drawer inserts or dividers to organize smaller items like socks and underwear. Include a laundry basket or hamper in your cupboard design to make laundry day easier. If you have a lot of shoes, consider a dedicated shoe rack or a pull-out shelf in your cupboard. Use baskets or bins to organize items like purses, hats, and gloves. Consider adding a dresser or vanity to your cupboard design for added storage and convenience. Install a rod for hanging longer items like dresses or coats. If you have limited space, consider a corner cupboard design to maximize space. Choose a color for your cupboard doors that complements your bedroom decor. Add decorative hardware to your cupboard doors for a personalized touch. Use textured or patterned wallpaper to add interest to the interior of your cupboard. Add a pop of color to your cupboard design with a brightly colored accent wall or door. Consider using glass doors for a more open and airy feel. Use a mix of open shelves and closed cabinets to create visual interest and keep items organized. Use a sliding ladder or step stool to access items stored on higher shelves. Consider a built-in ironing board or folding table for added convenience. If you have a large wardrobe, consider dividing it into sections for different types of clothing. Use velvet hangers or other space-saving hangers to maximize space in your wardrobe. Add a personal touch to your cupboard with framed photos or artwork on the walls. Use a decorative rug or runner to add warmth and style to your cupboard space. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles to create a unique and personalized look that reflects your taste and personality. There you have it, 50+ modern wardrobe interior design ideas for 2023. No matter your style or space constraints, there's a perfect design for you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.